और इस सबसे द Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Simply Nam makeup. Simply Nam is Namrata Soni brand. This video is not sponsored. If you guys know me since a while, you guys know that we are doing this series on our channel where we are doing full face of a particular brand. I've done I've done a lot of brands, so this is one of them. So I requested actually the brand to send me the products because they were quite expensive first of all, and I really wanted to review them to my audience, and they are very underrated. Like, they don't promote as such. So I was like, you know what, I need to make a video on this because they have such good launches, such good products, and the quality. I've tried their lipsticks, I've tried their, I think, this blush, and they are really nice. So I was like, बाकी के products कैसे के होंगे? So yes, if you guys are excited to see full face of Simply Nam, then please keep on watching. I just want to say one thing before starting the video, that ये अभी जो tension का time चल रहा है ना हमारे इंडिया में, like बहुत ज़्यादा war का और attacks and all of that, so I'm like really anxious. Like every Indian is anxious right now. So I was like, you know what, makeup is my therapy. Watching makeup videos is your therapy. So why not to create this so that थोड़ी देर के लिए हम distract हो सके इस सबसे. So yeah, let's get started. So I have their tinted lip oils. First of all, this is their new launch and the packaging is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Just look at the packaging, guys. Isn't this so pretty? So I'm gonna start. Actually मुझे इसके साथ ये bag भी मिला था, which is called Golden Hour, and it's so pretty. Like, it's their newest launch, and this is Namrata Soni. So pretty, so beautiful. This is definitely not sponsored, but I just want to say कि उन्होंने send किए हैं products, and I'm so thankful and grateful. By the way, these lip oils retail for $8.99, which is quite on expensive side when it comes to tinted lip oils. But this brand is of the quality of a high-end makeup. Like when you try, NARS or Urban Decay or what other brands, like जो high-end brands में आते हैं basically, तो इसकी quality वैसी sound करती है, like Laura Mercier, and then you got Huda Beauty. So it's like that. We are all zoomed in. So I'm gonna try their tinted lip oil. I'm gonna show you all the 3 shades that I have. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand, and I also received this beautiful keychain. And इसमें पता क्या है, एक मिरर है आपके पास, और एक आपको ऐसे, इसमें आप कोई भी लिप बाम लगा सकते हो, लिप बाम रख सकते हो, लिप ऑयल रख सकते हो. So it's very cute. So I'm just gonna swatch the 3 lip shades, lip tinted oil for you guys. This is the shade number 1. It's more on the purple burgundy, basically purple side. Then we have this shade which is like a pinkish, nudish pink. I love this shade, by the way. My swatch game is very not so strong, but it's the second shade. Very peachy and summery. And last one is this nudish color, which is like my kind. So let's watch that. I will swatch it right here. Oh my god, that's my favorite. Of course, I'm gonna apply that today. So yes guys, these oils I've actually tried. इनकी outer packaging मैंने remove कर दिया, so you guys know मैंने try किए हुए हैं already. Okay, तो सबसे पहले हम अपने lips को prep करेंगे using this tinted lip oil. So pretty. I love it. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful and smells heavenly. Mostly मेरे पास इनके आई प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और बेस के 2-3 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. सो अभी हम फाउंडेशन कंसीलर मैं ऑलरेडी लगा कर आती हूँ, एंड देन आई विल शेयर द रेस्ट ऑफ द मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स विद यू गाइज. आई ऑल्सो हैव आई शैडो पैलेट विच इज सुपर एक्साइटिंग. आई एम जस्ट गोना अनबॉक्स इट विद यू गाइज. ओके, सो आई एम अप्लाइंग फाउंडेशन नाउ, बट उसके पहले मेरे पास ये स्पंज है ट्राई करने के लिए, एंड इट इज द सॉफ्टेस्ट काइंड ऑफ अ वेलवेटी स्पंज दैट आई हैव सीन. इसके पीछे ना हल्का सा लिखा भी हुआ है, छोटा सा, वेट सी, सिंपली नाम लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. So cute, so pretty. बहुत अच्छी पैकेजिंग है, बहुत हाई क्वालिटी पैकेजिंग है. मैं अपना Maybelline का ही फाउंडेशन यूज कर रही हूँ. It's like my favorite. I can't go back from this. I'm gonna apply it half face with sponge, and then I'm not gonna, क्या बोलते हैं, गीला नहीं करी मैं स्पंज को, एंड अभी मैं ब्लेंड करती हूँ इसके साथ. गीला करना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज ये थोड़ा सा डार्क वो है, हार्ड है, बट यू आर सपोज टू वेट योर स्पंज एनीवे. बट oh my god, I love this foundation. थोड़ा सा वेट कर लिया स्पंज को, and let's just blend this. I love a beauty blender, good beauty blender. Don't forget your neck, and wow, love the foundation so much. But we're talking about Simply Nam, okay? So the sponge is to इज़ ग्रेट, इट्स ऑसम। आपको पकड़ते ही पता चल जाएगा कि हाँ ये स्पंज बहुत अच्छा है। एंड नेक्स्ट दूसरी साइड मैं फाउंडेशन ब्रश यूज़ करूँगी, just cause you know I always prefer a brush over a sponge because मेरी ना स्किन बहुत एक्ने प्रोन हो गई है एंड स्पंज में क्या होता है कि थोड़ा तो लगा ही रहता है मेकअप, एंड तो मुझे ना डर लगता है बिल्कुल, अब ना बहुत एक्ने होने लग गया फेस के ऊपर। आई जस्ट लव हाउ द लिप ऑयल इज लुकिंग ऑन माई लिप्स, इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल। आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट माई लिप्स बिकॉज दे लुक सो गुड विद द लिप ऑयल। आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग राइट नाउ। ओके, सो द फाउंडेशन इज ऑन नाउ। आई एम गोना जस्ट फटाफट put on concealer and I'll be right back, guys. Makeup is seriously like a therapy, guys. It's not even a joke right now because जो हमारे देश में हो रहा है इस वक्त, it's so heartbreaking and just praying for our soldiers and सब ठीक हो जाए फटाफट ताकि हम अपनी रेगुलर रूटीन में वापस आ सकें और बस सब खुश रहे, कोई लड़े मरे ना ज़्यादा। मेकअप इज़ लाइक माई एस्केप। जब मैं मेकअप करती हूँ इट्स लाइक अ थेरेपी एंड आई लव ट्राइंग आउट न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स। स्पेशली मैं आईलिड्स को भी प्राइम कर लूँगी बिकॉज हमें आई शेडो पैलेट भी ट्राई करनी है। I love this concealer. This one's from L'Oreal. This is infallible concealer. I just love it. So good. It's like high-end concealer. जैसे high-end concealers काम करते हैं ना. Sometimes I prefer this one over them. Just taking the sponge ones and just making sure कि कोई lines ना हो. Alright, so the base is halfway done. मैं एक बार brush से फिर से blend कर लूँगी सारा. Base looks amazing right now. Let's add a blush, a highlighter. I don't have a contour. For the blush, I have this palette right here. This is Radiant Powder Magic Blush. We have 2 shades. And for the highlighter, this is what I have. This is a Cosmic Glow highlighter. I have this one, I think, unused one. वैसे हमने ये देख लिया इसका lip oil. मेरे पास इसका एक lip balm भी है ट्राई करने के लिए. Lip oil has successfully left a beautiful tint on my lips, which I love. I love a beautiful, nice little tint on my lips, guys. You know it. I have their Sweet Kisses lip balm. Let's see how it looks. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. This is for 700 rupees. Let's apply and see. This is in the shade Cupcake Pink. I don't know why applying this makes me feel so bougie for some reason. I love the shade Pinky. It's beautiful. It's Barbie. I love it. So next up, अब हम इसको थोड़ा रहने देते हैं लिप्स के ऊपर. But if we compare the lip balm and the lip oil, I like the lip oil better because एक तो इसकी application बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत lightweight है, and shade मुझे lip oil का ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. But lip balm में और भी shades आते हैं and this is like very nice. If you like lip balms a lot, you use a lot of lip balms, you will love this because इसकी क्वालिटी लगाते ही उसको प्रोडक्ट को हाथ में पकड़ते ही पता चल जाती है. I'm getting excited with this makeup now. Next up we have blush. Okay, for the blush I have the Velvet Cream Magic Blush. I have tried this one, tested this one, love it already. Have promoted quite a lot of times. So right now I have 3 shades with me. I am going to be using the shade called Partner in Crime, which is rosy pink shade. This is how the shade looks like. I'm gonna apply this on my outer part of my face. I'll tell you why I'm doing that. First of all, it's gonna give you a lift on the face. And now I'm gonna take my foundation brush and blend it. It's a beautiful color, by the way, especially for medium skin tones. Very pretty. You can also use a brush directly on the blush and then apply it. It gives you much more pigmentation, as you guys can see. And then I'm taking the blender. And now what I'm going to do is I'm also going to take the shade Salmon Pink, which is a nice nudie color. And I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones and on my nose as well because we are not using any contour today. So I'm just going to be doing that and blending it. Oh, I love how it just, the ombre brush trend, I love it. It looks so nice and fresh. तो contour actually मुझे बहुत पसंद है, bronzing करना, contouring करना, but I don't have it right now from Simply Nam, so we're gonna skip contour today. अभी जो है हम अपना face set करेंगे because बहुत cream products लगा लिए हैं. It's time to set our face. Okay, I've set my face now. You can see it looks nice and matte. Before setting, I actually wanted to use this Cosmic Glow, but we can use it over the powder. This is how it looks like. I've actually tried it. इट्स वेरी नाइस, बट मैं हर बार भूल जाती हूँ कि मुझे पाउडर से सेट नहीं करना था, बट अभी हम कर लिया है तो इसके ऊपर ही हम गोना अप्लाई द हाइलाइटर. इट डजंट मूव और budge the product. It's really nice. It's a very creamy sort of highlighter. If you don't like creamy highlighters, then you might not like it, but it's very subtle. It's like a celebrity glow. Like you won't see the highlighter, but it's there, you know. It's that kind of a highlighter. You can see my nose shining, but it's very subtle if you don't like too much. Actually, cream is not the right word. It's like a putty texture. जैसे putty primer है ना ELF का, it's like that. You can also take it on the brush and apply it for more subtle application. And if you take the Star Glow side, this is Star Glow and this is Moon Glow. So if you want the Star Glow, just to top up the blush, it's basically for that. Just take it over the blush. It's a blush topper. It can't be called a highlighter. I'll just swatch it for you guys. This is Star Glow and this is Moon Glow. That's Star Glow and this is Moon Glow. Basically a blush topper and a highlighter. You know, as it says, it's a cosmic glow. It's like actually very subtle, but when you know, look at it, it looks very beautiful. Like it's very natural and very beautiful. I just really like it. It's like a celebrity glow kind of a thing only. Okay, so base is done. Now it's time for the eyes. Why am I removing my lip balm? It's time for the eyes. Very exciting part. We have this eyeshadow palette from Simply Nam. It's called Dawn to Dusk. And the packaging, let me just show you the packaging. Okay, this is the outer box that you can see, and this is the eyeshadow. You still don't get the eyeshadow right now because it's still the outer box, and here is the final eyeshadow. Like, look at this, it's so pretty. I'm obsessed. And then when you open it, this is the palette. So it's basically, this is the cover so that the palette stays safe. And then this is the palette. Firstly, I love the color story. You can create so many looks with this. It also comes with this brush thing. Thankfully not the sponge, but the brush, and it looks stunning. The color story is beautiful, it's subtle, it's celebrity feeling. So yeah, we're gonna do a subtle makeup because that is what is trending right now. Like subtle से ज़्यादा कुछ किसी को पसंद नहीं है. In fact मुझे भी आजकल ना बिल्कुल subtle makeup ही अच्छा लग रहा है. So I'm gonna start with this shade which is called Rustic Brown, and I'm gonna put this as my transition on the eyes. Amazing. Let's test the pigmentation. Is beautiful. It's buttery soft, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this palette. I'm telling you, it's like a feeling of Huda Beauty, or even K Beauty is a really good brand. Now it's up to you what your preference is, what your budget is, but you have so many brands and so many budgets. अगर आपका budget थोड़ा low है, you can try Mars, Swiss Beauty. You'll get high-end feel. If you want to try a little upper brand, then you can try K Beauty. You can try Maybelline, L'Oreal. You can try Simply Nam. If you want उससे भी ऊपर का, then get the international products. So it's like you have all of it in your hands. मतलब किसी भी budget का आपको हर चीज़ की quality वैसी की वैसी मिलेगी. Like अगर मैं किसी और brand की पैलेट उठा के ब्राउन शेड यूज करूंगी तो हो सकता है मुझे इतना बटरी स्मूथ फील ना मिले, बट मुझे जो रिजल्ट है वो सेम मिल सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू माई वर्क ऑफ आर्ट. मतलब जो भी मैं काम कर रही हूँ. That's the brown, and it took me literally seconds to put it on, and I love it. Now I'm gonna use the shade Mocha Nights, which is right next to the brown I just used, and it goes with almost all the outfits that you wear. You don't have to think much, and it is so pigmented. This brush sucks though, but never mind. I have a really nice product to try after this. I'm super excited actually. Also the colors blend really well together. अभी मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, जो ब्राउन शेड मैंने आउटर कॉर्नर्स पे लगाया है उसी से मैं आईलाइनर अप्लाई करूँगी, बिल्कुल फेडेड सा, ताकि थोड़ी सी डायमेंशन मिल जाए आईज को. जस्ट फॉर दैट. थोड़ा सा फॉल आउट है आई शेडो का, बट इट्स नथिंग क्रेजी. आई लव दिस ब्राउन शेड. दैट्स लाइक, इट्स लाइक सो मी. लाइक आई लव शेड्स लाइक दिस अ लॉट. तो आपको सिर्फ हल्का सा डिप करने की जरूरत है, ज़्यादा नहीं, and you'll get a beautiful blend of the shadows. So now I'm thinking कौन सा shade लगाऊं. I'm thinking between this one and this one. I think this one because it matches my top. Let's blend both of them first. Let's just swatch both. Oh my god, shit. I think I pressed too hard. This shadow just shattered because I pressed it too hard. But let's just swatch it. Wow, that is so pretty. This is a shade Pink Champagne and this is a shade Silver star. Oh my god, look at those pigments, you guys. They are so beautiful. How am I supposed to remove this now? I'm gonna use the shade Silver Star. बिल्कुल हल्का सा यूज करेंगे and we're just gonna apply that on the center. Wow, it is stunning. It's so pretty. I mean, I'm telling you, it's like your Indian Huda Beauty is right there. It's so beautiful. Even if I apply it from a brush, बिल्कुल same application है. Beautiful. Just look at that. Oh my god. एक तो मैं इतनी देर के बाद ऐसा मेकअप लुक कर रही हूँ ना, मुझे इतनी खुशी मिल रही है. You see, it's so pretty. सेंटर में अप्लाई करके ना ब्रश के साथ थोड़ा उसको स्प्रेड कर सकते हो ताकि आपके आईज पे ज़्यादा ना फैल जाए. I just wanna know कि पैलेट है कितने की. It's for 2400 rupees, which is like half the price of Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I think it's totally worth it because of the quality. I mean, it's so luxurious. It feels so luxurious. I don't know why I didn't use it till now. It was just sitting there on my vanity. I'm obsessed. I totally love it. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit so that there is no harsh lines or anything like that. Look at that. I know ऐसे looks आजकल नहीं चल रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी. Look at my hand. It's all shiny, glittery. I love it. It's so pretty. I also have one more thing to try for the eyes. Actually, two. Number one is this Pixie Dust from Simply Nam. It's a liquid eyeshadow, I think cream eyeshadow, I don't know. It's called Starlight only. The shade that I have just used, Silver Star. Multi-use glitter glow, it says. Firstly, let's just swatch it on our hands और पता चले हमने पूरा look खराब कर दिया. Okay, it's very subtle though, but I think it's like a eyeshadow topper, so it's perfect time to just use it in the center of our eyes. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out, but because it's first impressions, so wait, it is so beautiful. It says Pixie Dust, so that means it's not like a full-blown eyeshadow, so I understand the concept, but oh my god, more than stunning. I think मैं बहुत देर के बाद ऐसा मेकअप लुक कर रही हूँ तो मुझे एक्साइटमेंट फील हो रही है, ऐसे पता नहीं एड्रेनलिन रश हो रहा है मेरी बॉडी में. It is so beautiful. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हो गया शिट, बट oh my god, I'm obsessed. मैं इसको ठीक करके आती हूँ. I think I went a little too overboard with it, but I love it. I'm not complaining. Beautiful, and I can't stop looking at my eyes, guys. This is so pretty. This is basically a dust, you can see, and when the light reflects, it just shines. So stunning. Next up, I have this eyeliner Ultimate Kajal from them. जब मैंने इसको खोला था ना, I was like, I need to try it right now because first of all, look at the packaging. Obsessed. Then this is the kajal. Then this is the smudger side of the kajal. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is I'm gonna apply it on my upper lash line. I'm gonna apply kajal today. For once, I'm just gonna try wearing a kajal. I'm gonna apply a liner first with this, and then use the smudger side, and then just try and smudge the. It feels so luxurious. I'm not even kidding. बहुत luxurious feel हो रहा है ये, because एक तो इसकी quality इतनी अच्छी है product की, and दूसरा it's just fun, you know. If you have like, जैसे आपको मेकअप, मेरी मेकअप वैनिटी में कितने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, आपकी मेकअप वैनिटी में आपको 10 प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए बस पर्सनल मेकअप वैनिटी के लिए, तो आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ कर सकते हो जो आपको बूजी फील कराएं, आपको अच्छा फील कराएं कि आपके पास ये चीज़ है. आई थिंक उसमें कुछ बुराई नहीं है. ये आई एम प्रीटी श्योर थोड़ा महंगा होगा. दिस इज़ फॉर 1000 रुपीज़. नॉट बैड. इट्स लाइक लॉरियल या के ब्यूटी के, उसमें आप इसको लेके चल सकते हो. बट दैट इज़ माई थिंग ना कि ये दो ब्रांड्स, ये वाला ब्रांड को ज़्यादा प्रमोट नहीं कर रहा है. सो आई थिंक वाओ, दिस इज सच अ ग्लैम लुक. आई लव इट सो मच. मुझे आप लोगों ने रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि आप लैक्मे का फुल फेस भी बनाओ. आई विल डेफिनेटली क्रिएट लैक्मे नेक्स्ट, या फिर उसके पहले अगर मुझे कुछ मिल जाता है. Should I apply liner? Yes, no, yes, no. Sorry, kajal. Okay, let's go with the kajal today. I don't apply kajal usually, but this one feels really nice. Oh my. And then smudge it with the smudger. After so long I've applied kajal. जब भी मैं काजल लगाती हूँ मैं हमेशा यही बोलती हूँ कि after so long I've applied it. So जब मैंने इसको blend कर दिया है, अब मैं इसको brown shade जो मैंने first यूज़ किया था उसके साथ एक बार थोड़ा सा dimension दे देंगे. And this is the eye. What do you guys think? काजल yes or no on me? मुझे ऐसे पता लग रहा है मेरी शक्ल बहुत चलाक लगती है काजल लगा के. Okay, so next आई पे काजल लगाते हैं. You know, जब आप नीचे लोअर लैश पे काजल लगाते हो तो एक तो क्या होता है, आपके अंडर आई से क्रीजेस छुप जाते हैं, जो पहली बहुत अच्छी बढ़िया चीज़ होती है. और दूसरा ये कि एकदम बड़ा स्मोकी और सुंदर इफेक्ट आता है, जस्ट लुक्स रियली नाइस। एकदम इसको ब्लेंड कर देंगे अब। मुझे पता है सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ क्या लगी इस पैलेट में, कि जो इसके ब्राउन शेड्स है ना, ये वाले दो, दे आर जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर एवरी आई लुक, फॉर एवरी इंडियन स्किन टोन स्पेशली। दे आर जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल। क्योंकि कई इंटरनेशनल पैलेट्स में क्या होता है कि लाइट शेड्स होते हैं ब्राउन के, बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं है। ओह माय गॉड, आई थिंक द आईज लुक नाइस। व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? ऑलराइट, सो लास्ट स्टेप आई एम गोना डू इज लिप्स। आई डोंट हैव अ लिप लाइनर फ्रॉम सिंपली नैम, बट व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज पहले तो ये लिप बाम रिमूव कर देंगे। माय लिप्स प्रेप हो चुके हैं दोस्तों। तो मेरे पास सिंपली नैम का कोई भी लिप लाइनर नहीं है, तो मैंने अपने लिप्स को लाइन कर लिया है, बट आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स फ्रॉम देम। सो दीज आर आई थिंक 4-5-6 lipsticks I have, and it's gonna be difficult to decide which one I want to apply. All the shades look so good. I'm gonna apply the shade Parnia, this one. बाकी का मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसकी स्वॉच वीडियो बनाऊँ, बिकॉज इनकी लिपस्टिक्स आर सो अंडररेटेड, दे आर सो नाइस। तो अभी मैं एक शेड लगा रही हूँ, बाकी आप यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स पे देखना, मैं इसका बनाऊँगी स्वॉचेस। आई एम प्रीटी श्योर द पिगमेंटेशन इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। फॉर्मूला भी इनका बहुत अच्छा होगा। आई लव द शेड, ओह माय गॉड, स्टनिंग। दिस इज द शेड Parnia by the way, and it's just stunning, it's beautiful. I'm also gonna apply their lip oil जो मैंने starting में लगाया था as a gloss on top of this lip shade, this one, and ta-da! We are done. I am gonna just do a little touch-ups and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did something with my hair so that it just comes up together. Let me know what do you guys think. I am obsessed with this makeup look, and I just love it. It just looks bougie, it looks nice, I just love it. I know जब Simply Nam makeup जो base products निकालेगा, they are gonna be amazing, because honestly अभी तक मुझे इनके कोई भी product के साथ कोई भी गिला शिकवा नहीं है. Everything is top notch. And yes, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you next time. Which is your favorite product also? I just want to know. I'm just curious. And yes, this is the final look guys. I will see you next time.